Good time class. In this video we are going to solve exercise number 2.4 part 2. Question number 7. So Hassan buys two kinds of cloth material for school uniform. Shirt material which cost him 50 rupees per meter and trouser material that cost him 90 rupees per meter. And for shirt he buys 3 meter and for trouser he buys 2 meter. He sells the material 12% and 10% profit. Total sale is 36,600. How much trouser material did he buy? Okay, so what we have to do is just let number of trouser and shirts equals to X. Okay, so cost of one shirt equals to, okay, he buy 3 meter cloth for a shirt and the shirt cost per meter cloth is 50. So it will be 150 rupees. Okay, so 150 rupees for one shirt. Okay, cost of one trouser equals to 2 meter and each meter cost 90 rupees. So it will be 180 rupees. Okay, so total cost for X number of shirt and trouser, total cost equals to 150 multiplied by X plus 180 also multiplied by X. Okay, so what we have done is we got total cost of X number of shirts and X number of trousers, but the profit percentage is different. So what we have to do is we got 10% profit on shirt and 10% profit on what? 10% profit on shirt and 12% profit on, okay, 12% profit on shirt and 10% profit on trousers. So what we have to do is just add 10% and 12% and 10% in total profit. So profit on shirt equals to 12% and trouser 10%. Okay, so total sales will be 150x plus 12% of 150x, okay, plus 180x plus 10% of 180x. This will be your total sales. So what I have to do is, this is the cost and this is the 12% profit on shirt. This is also the cost and this is 10% profit on what? Trousers. So what we have to do is just solve it. 12% of 150 is, what is 12% of 150? It is 80. Okay, so 150x plus 18x plus 180x plus 10% of 180x. What is the 10% of 180x? So it will be also 80. Now 158 plus 180 equals to 100 plus 100, 200, 300, 330. Okay, 330 and then 18x, 18x, 36. So it will be 366x. It is total sales and we are also given the total sales. So total sales given is 36600 rupees. Okay, so this is also total sales and this is also total sales. So what we got is 366 x equals to 36600. So x will be 36600 upon 366. It will be 100. So x equals to 100. So number of trousers and number of shirts we buy equals to 100. So the question is that how much material we buy for trousers? How much material we buy for trousers? So total material for trousers is equals to, so we have to make 100 trousers, so it will be 100, and for each trouser we have to buy 2 meter of cloth, so equals to 200 meter. This is your final answer. So for trousers we have to buy 200 meter of cloth. Okay, so this is your question number 7. So class, this is the most important question of the exercise or of the chapter, you can say. Okay, so you should do it clearly, and if there is anything else which you want to understand, you can comment it below. Okay, question number 8 is okay, half of the herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. So class, what you have to do is, question number 8, let total number of equals to x. Total number of deer equals to x. Okay, so half of the herd was grazing in the field. So half of herd equals to x upon 2. Okay. Next, remaining or we can say 3/4 of the remaining. Okay, so we can say let the total is x and half of them is grazing. So what will be the remaining? Remaining will be half. So out of the remaining half, 3/4. So what you have to do? Multiply it by 3/4. 3/4 are grazing in the field. So 3 into x, 3x, and 4 into 2 will be 8. 3x upon 8 are grazing in the field, and 9 are drinking water. Okay, so half was there, remaining 3/4 of the half is there, and 9 were there. So the total of this and this will be equals to total number of deer. So we can say, according to question, x equals to x upon 2 plus 3x by 8 plus 9. Okay, x equals to, we have to find the LCM. It can be 9 upon 1. It is equal to 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 into x will be 4x, plus it will be 8 divided by 8, 1. 1 into 3x will be 3x, plus 8 9s are 72. So x equals to 7x plus 72 upon 8. Okay, now we can multiply this 8 by this, so it will be 8x equals to 7x plus 72. 8x minus 7x equals to 72. X will be equals to 72. So total number of deer is equal to 72. Okay, this is your final answer. So class, question number 9 is, a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. Okay. So let granddaughter equals to x. 9. Let age of granddaughter equals to x. Then age of equals to 10x, because he was 10 times. He is 54 years older than her. So what we have to do? When we subtract the age of grandfather and granddaughter, we get 54. So we can say that according to question, their age difference is 54. So 10x minus x equals 54. So 10x minus x will be 9x equals 54. X will be 54 by 9. X will be 6. So granddaughter is 6-year-old and grandfather is 6x equals to 6 into 10x. So it will be 10 into 6 equals to 60 years. Okay. So granddaughter is of 6 years and grandfather is of 60 years. Okay. Next 10th question is, Aman's age is 3 times age of his son. So Aman is the father and his son's age is 1/3. Okay. So let his son's age equals to x. Question number 10. Son's age equals x. So Aman, who is the father, he is 3 times of his son's age. So it will be 3 into x. It will be 3x. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. So 10 years ago, according to question, 10 years ago, so we have to subtract 10 years from both age. Okay, he was 5 times. Aman was 5 times. If we multiply this age by 5, so both of them will be equal. So what I am doing is multiplying this by 5. Okay. So 3x minus 10 equals to 5x minus 50. So 3x minus 5x equals to minus 50 plus 10. 3x minus 5 is minus 2x equals to minus 40. X will be minus 40 upon minus 2. X will be 20. So age of son is 20 and age of father is 20 into 3. Son's age equals to x equals to 20 here, and father's, it means Aman's age equals to 3 into x, 3 into 20 equals to 60 here. Okay. So class, this was your exercise number 4.2. Okay. For next exercise, you can watch the next video. Thank you.